anong message mo sa mga aspiring?
That's a good question. What is my message for aspiring entrepreneurs or people that are on their early 20s or mid 20s that are planning to get into the business? Most of them hindi nila alam kung saan sila magaling. Based on my own experience, and I'm not here to say that I'm a guru or I'm I have this big credential to give advice to people, but based on my own experience, I would say find something that you're good at and monetize it. Ganun lang kasimple. Kasi some people get into a business kasi nakita nila sa kaibigan nila or nakita nila kung kanino man na, okay, this business makes money. So, gagayahin ko din yun. Hindi siya ganun eh. I would say identify first your interests, be good at it, and turn it into a business to make money. Kasi a lot of people are like jumping from one venture to another. I guess for my own personal view, if you will be doing something, just be good at it, be best at it, and then by that time na you are able to figure out the whole system and blueprint of that particular business na sinimulan mo, that's the time that you can consider scaling to a new venture. Kasi a lot of people are like jumping from one lane to another and that's bad. You have to be an expert to one niche or industry